next electrophilic addition reactions of alkynes is shown by addition of hypohalous acid. We know that the hypohalous acids are obtained when halogen molecules are reacting with the water. So what is happening in this case? We know that the order of reactivity given as Cl2 in the presence of water is more reactive than Br2 in the presence of water, and least reactive is iodine in the presence of water. So what is happening when chlorine is reacting with water? So there will be formation of hypochlorous acid. This is hypochlorous acid, and formation of HCl will takes place. So in this case there is electronegativity difference between the HO and Cl bond. Because of that, chlorine is having partial positive charge, OH is having partial negative charge. Why it is having partial negative charge? Because oxygen is second most electronegative. It is more electronegative in comparison to chlorine. So this is unsymmetrical reagent. So it means the reaction will take place by the Marconic addition if unsymmetrical alkynes are taken. So what is happening in the case of symmetrical alkyne? When HOCl, hypochlorous acid, is reacting, so there will be formation of, this reaction will take place in two steps. So first of all there will be attack of electrophile is taking place. Electrophile is Cl plus and nucleophile is OH minus. So there will be formation of CH, OH, double bond CH, Cl will takes place. Further, when it will react with HOCl, so what is happening in this case? There will be formation of CH, OH, OH, CH, Cl, Cl will takes place. This compound is unstable. Why it is unstable? Whenever there are more than one hydroxyl group is present on the particular carbon, then that will be unstable. So there will be removal of water will be taken place. So what is happening? The hydrogen of this OH and this OH will be removed as H2O. So there will be formation of double bond will takes place between this carbon and oxygen. So what is happening? So there is a formation of this compound is taking place. So what will be the name of this compound? This is, numbering will be done from this position because this is aldehydic functional group. This is principal functional group 1, 2, 2, 2 dichloroethanol. The reaction will takes place by following Marconic addition. It means the negative part of this reagent will attack on the carbon which is having less number of hydrogen. So what is happening in the presence of HOCl? So what is happening in this case? There will be formation of CH3, COH, double bond CHCl. So there will be formation of this compound will takes place. Further this will reacted by HOCl, in which first of all electrophile will attack, that is Cl. So there will be formation of COH, OH, CH, Cl, Cl will be taking place. We know that the negative part of the reagent will attack on the carbon which is having less hydrogen. So OH minus is attacking on the carbon which is having less hydrogen. This compound is unstable because in this case more than one hydroxyl group is present at the same carbon, due to which there will be removal of water will takes place. This OH will be removed and this hydrogen will be removed. So what is happening? Water will be removed and there will be formation of ketone will takes place. CH3, C double bond O, CH, Cl, Cl is taking place. So how this ketone formation is taking place? Because this bond will be broken. So there will be double bond formation between this carbon and oxygen. So there will be formation of ketone is taking place. The principal functional group is ketone. So what will be the name of this compound? Numbering will be done 1, 2, 3, 1, 1 dichloropropane 2-one. Next electrophilic addition reaction of alkyne is addition of H2O molecule, or this is also known as hydration of alkynes. Alkynes are less reactive in comparison to alkenes because of sp hybridization, because of higher electronegativity of the carbons of alkynes, due to which they are less reactive towards the electrophilic addition reactions. It means with water molecule they show little reactivity in comparison to alkenes. Even they are not reactive towards the dilute H2SO4. Because of that, in the presence of catalyst, hydration is taking place in the case of alkyne. So let's see the reaction, how the reaction is taking place. So in the presence of acetylene, acetylene react with H2O in the presence of H2SO4, and the catalyst which is used is HgSO4. So in the presence of catalyst HgSO4, and the temperature of the reaction mixture is 333 Kelvin. So this reaction is taking place in the two step. In the first step there will be formation of vinyl alcohol is taking place, while in the second step this vinyl alcohol will tautomerize to give a keto compound. So what will be happening, that is carbonyl compound. So what will be happening in this case, there will be formation of CHOH double bond CH2. Further it will tautomerize to keto form because the stability of enolic form is less in comparison to keto form. So it will form the compound which is having carbon double bond O. So there will be formation of C double bond O HCH3. So this is acetaldehyde. So in this case, when the reaction is taking place with the water in the presence of reaction medium, that is H2SO4, in the presence of catalyst HgSO4, 333 Kelvin. So in the case of unsymmetrical terminal alkynes, the reaction will take place by the Marconic addition. It means this reaction will follow Marconic rule. So in this case what will happen? In the case of unsymmetrical reagent, because this H2O will ionize to H plus and OH minus, so it is having one electrophile and one nucleophile. So nucleophilic part will attack on the carbon which is having less number of hydrogen. It means it is following Marconic addition. So what will be happening in this case? There will be formation of CCOH double bond CH2. It means electrophile will attack on this carbon, whereas nucleophile, that is negative part of this water molecule, is attacking on the carbon which is having less number of hydrogen. It means it is following Marconic addition. So there is formation of this compound. This is enolic form, and we know that in the case this enolic form is unstable. Because of that it will tautomerize. Tautomerization will be taking place. You know that in tautomerization there is a change in one isomer to another isomer. This is enolic isomer, so it will changes to keto isomer. So there will be formation of CH3, C double bond O, and this hydrogen will shift to this carbon. So there will be formation of acetone is taking place, that is propanone. In the case of non-terminal alkyne, this is non-terminal alkyne, this is terminal alkyne. So what will be happening in this case? Similar reagent will be taken. So in the presence of water and H2SO4, catalyst is HgSO4, temperature is 333 Kelvin. So at this temperature the reaction will take place, and there is a mixture of products are obtained, that is C double bond O CH3. Either alcoholic group will attack on this carbon, so there will be formation of this ketone will takes place after tautomerization. So in this case there will be mixture of products are obtained. So the major product of the reaction will be that ketone in which there is methyl will be present at the terminals. So in this case there is methyl is present at the terminals next to ketonic group, that is carbonyl. So whereas in this case in both the side there are ethyl groups are present. Because of that this will be minor product, whereas this will be major product of this product composition. So let's see what will be the mechanism behind the hydration of these alkynes. This is terminal alkyne. So what will be the mechanism behind this reaction? We know that electrophilic addition reactions of alkyne is taking place in the two steps. So similarly in this case also there will be the reaction is taking place in the two steps. So what will be the first step? In first step CH3CH, that is alkyne part. First of all, this terminal alkyne will be reacted with catalyst, that is Hg2+. So there will be formation of reactive intermediate is taking place. The pi electron of this alkyne is attacked by this Hg2+. So there will be formation of reactive intermediate will takes place. So there is formation of this reactive intermediate, this cyclic reactive intermediate is taking place. This is highly reactive because as you can see, the bond length is longer from normal covalent bond, and this is cyclic state which is formed. So this is cyclic intermediate. So in the second step, this cyclic intermediate is attacked by water molecule, because water molecule oxygen is having a lone pair. So this oxygen will donate its lone pair to this carbon. Because of that, this bond will be shifted towards the mercuric ion. So there will be formation of CH3, COH, H, and oxygen will be having now positive charge. One lone pair will be left of oxygen, and there will be formation of this compound is taking place. We know that positive charge on this oxygen is unstable, due to which this oxygen is second most electronegative element in the periodic table. Because of the electronegativity of oxygen, this will abstract the shared pair of electron towards itself, due to which there will be formation of CH3, COH, double bond, CH, Hg+. So there is formation of this intermediate is taking place. So further what will be happening? In the presence of proton, this intermediate which is formed in the second step, this proton will attack on this double bond, due to which there will be formation of CH3, COH, carbocation, CH2, Hg+. So what will be happening? This Hg+ will donate its electron. So there will be formation of CH3, COH, double bond, CH2 will be taking place. O is less stable in comparison to C double bond O. So what will be happening? This hydrogen will come on this carbon. So there will be pi bond formation between carbon and oxygen. So what will be happening? There is a formation of C double bond O. It means there will be formation of acetone is taking place. So this is the mechanism behind the hydration reaction, addition of halogen. We know that the reactivity order of halogen is given as fluorine is most reactive, chlorine, bromine, iodine. On the basis of order of reaction, in the case of fluorine, reaction is highly vigorous. Because of that, this reaction is occurring in the controlled condition in the lab. So what will be the reaction which is represented? In this case, these reactions occur in the two step, in which first, when reaction is taking place in the presence of Br2, solvent is CCl4, which is non-polar solvent. So there will be formation of first step, in which there is formation of trans product is taking place. So what is happening? So there is always formation of trans product is taking place in the first step, whenever the electrophilic addition reaction is taking place. So next step, in the presence of Br2 and CCl4, there will be formation of tetra bromo compound is formed. This is tetra bromo compound which is formed in the electrophilic addition reaction. All the electrophilic addition reactions are taking place in the two step. Next, second unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of Br2, solvent is CCl4. There will be formation of trans product will be taking place in the first step. And in the next step, in the presence of Br2 and CCl4, tetrahalogenated product will be obtained. What will be the IUPAC name of this compound? 1,1, 2,2 tetrabromo-propane. This is tetrabromo-propane. So this reaction is occurring in the 2 step. Whereas in the case of iodine, this reaction is not taking place directly with iodine because iodine is least reactive of all halogen. So in the case of iodine, ethanol is taken. It means in the presence of ethanol. So in the presence of ethanol solvent, this iodine is reacting with acetylene, but the reaction will stop in the first step. There will be formation of trans product is taking place. So there is formation of trans product is taking place. Further, this compound, this trans product will not react with iodine in the presence of C2H5OH. It means tetrahalogenated product will not be obtained in the case of iodine. In the presence of double or triple bond, the bromine color is decolorizes. Bromine is having orange red color. It decolorizes by the formation of this halogenated compound in the presence of double bond or triple bond, that is in the presence of pi bond. Because of that, this reaction is used for a test for unsaturation. It means by the help of this reaction, we can detect the particular compound is saturated or unsaturated. Now next electrophilic addition reaction in alkynes is addition of halogen acid. We know that the order of reactivity of halogen acid is given as Hi, HBr, HCl, HF. In the case of HF, reaction is occurring under pressure, whereas Hi is most reactive towards the electrophilic addition reaction in comparison to other acid. It is because of the bond dissociation energy of Hi bond. Bond is highly weaker, because of that only less amount of energy will be required to break Hi bond. So what will be happening in the case? When acetylene is react with HCl in dark, so there will be formation of double bond CHCl. This is vinyl chloride. Further, when this HCl react with this compound, so what will be happening? CH3 CHCl Cl. So there will be formation of gem halide will be taking place. In this case, this reaction is occurring in the dark. When this reaction is occurring in the presence of some catalyst, example Hg2 plus. If this reaction is occurring in the presence of Hg2 plus catalyst, then this reaction will stop at vinyl stage. So what will be happening? There will be formation of CH2 double bond CHCl. So this reaction will stop in the case of when the catalyst is used is Hg2 plus. In the case of unsymmetrical alkynes, when halogen acid is reacted, this reaction is following the Marconic addition. We know that what is Marconic addition. In Marconic addition, the unsymmetrical reagent, the negative part of the unsymmetrical reagent will attack on the carbon which is having less hydrogen. So what will be the formation in this case? CH3 CBr double bond CH2. Further, when HBr is reacted with this compound by following Marconic addition, so there will be formation of CH3 CBr Br CH3. So this reaction is following the Marconic addition, in which the negative part of the reagent is attacking on the carbon which is having less hydrogen. Whereas in the presence of peroxide, example CH3 C triple bond CH HBr, in the presence of peroxide, peroxide is having bond O, single bond O. So if this peroxide is present, so what will be happening? In this case, the reaction will occur by the free radical mechanism. So in this case, the negative part of the reagent will attack on the carbon which is having more hydrogen. So what will be happening in this case? There will be formation of CH3, CH2, CHBr2. So this will be formed. In this case, the Br minus is attacking on the carbon which is having more hydrogen instead of the carbon which is having less hydrogen, because this reaction is taken place by the help of free radical mechanism, and the free radicals are initiated by the help of this peroxide molecule. Now let's see how the mechanism is taking place in the case of electrophilic addition reactions of halogen acid. So the first, in this case, there will be ionization of halogen acid will be taking place. Example, HBr, it will ionize to H plus and Br minus. So first step of this reaction, example, acetylene will react first of all with electrophile. So there will be formation of carbocation is taking place, and we know that whenever there is a formation of reactive intermediate is taking place, that step is slow. So this step is slow. So there will be formation of CH2 double bond CH plus. This carbocation will be formed, whereas in the next step, further the reaction will take place in the presence of nucleophile, and nucleophile will attack on the carbocation. So there will be formation of this compound is taking place. This is vinyl bromide. This step is fast. Second step, because this reaction is occurring in the two step, so what is happening? This vinyl bromide is attacked by H plus. Question will be arises on which carbon H plus will be attacking. This is decided by the stability of carbocation. More stable the carbocation will be formed in the attack of electrophile, more easily it will react with the nucleophile. It means the reaction will occur feasibly. So what is happening in this case? If this H plus ion is attacking on this carbon, so there will be formation of CH3, CHBr carbocation. It means the carbon is having positive charge which is attached with the bromine. So what is happening? This bond will be shifted towards this carbon. Because of that, there will be negative charge. On this negative charge, this H plus will attack. Because of that, this carbon is having positive charge. So this carbocation will be formed. Whereas if H plus is attacking on this carbon, so this carbocation will be formed. So there will be formation of CH2 plus CH2 Br will takes place. So on the basis of stability of carbocation, further reaction will takes place. In this case, this carbocation is more stable in comparison to this, because in this case there is conjugation is occurring, there is resonance is taking place. And we know that whenever the resonance is taking place, it means this carbocation, this species is much more stable. This carbocation is more stable. Why it is more stable? Because it is attached directly with the bromine which is having lone pair of electron. So this lone pair of electron is involved in conjugation with this carbocation. Because of that, there will be formation of CH double bond Br, and Br is now having positive charge. So there are two canonical structure which are represented by resonance, and we know that whenever there is a formation of canonical structure, that is resonance is taking place, that species is more stable. So in this bromine is helping in dispersing the positive charge of this carbocation. As in this case, this carbocation is not stable. Why it is not stable? Because it is not directly conjugated with the lone pair of bromine, because bromine is attached to the next carbon, due to which this is less stable. So what is happening in this? Further Br minus nucleophile will attack. So this step will be fast. First step in which electrophile is attacking is slow. So there will be formation of CH3, CHBr, Br is forming. So this step is not taking place because this carbocation is less stable in comparison to this.